What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the auto notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yeah, free. Free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the auto notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation to Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made King Hussle, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members. We are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So if you are tired of being a zero and you are ready to be your family zero, listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to work. Because I promise you, I'm going to keep dropping these new banks, these new credit unions, and these smaller banks and credit unions that's giving out the bag. All you got to do is follow these instructions and follow these steps that I give y'all. A lot of people just hear what they want to hear, and then they don't hear everything that they need to hear. Then they go out and apply and mess up their credit, get hard pulls and all this, and don't get approved at the same time. Let's eliminate all that. So, once again, make sure you guys are listening and watching the video from start to finish, because you do not want to miss any information, valuable information that can help you get the bag. So with that being said, let's get to it. So it's a lot of people out here that have LLCs. There's a lot of people out here that have EIN numbers. It's a lot of people out here that's, once upon a time started up a business and they just didn't know what to really do, how to really create a business, how to really start a business, how to even fund a business. A lot of people got LLCs and EIN numbers but don't have no money to put behind the business. So with that being said, they created things called loans that will loan you money, that will help you out when you need money. A lot of people work 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of people are tired of working these 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of people are trying to figure out how they can become a self-made millionaire. Well, when it comes to becoming a self-made millionaire, you have to understand this, and you have to understand this well. Everything in the world works off the 3 P's: product, perception, and promotion. As long as you have a product that you can promote and sell this perception that this is what the consumer wants and needs, they're going to buy it. Nobody is going out taking $1 million out of their bank account and starting a business. Every business, multi-million-dollar business or billion-dollar business that you see out here is being funded and generated off loans. So with that being said, when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, to get a traditional loan, you need 3 pieces of documentation: pay stubs, bank statements, and W-2 forms. And that's how you get a traditional loan, credit card, line of credit. Now, certain banks, certain groups, and certain lenders have different loan programs where sometimes you don't need documentation. Sometimes if you're a vet, you're automatically approved. Just different situations. So for this bank that we're going to be talking about today, First Flight Federal Credit Union, they will give you a $50,000 new LLC, new small startup business loan with bad credit, 100% approved. Why? Because they're a new smaller bank, and we all know that smaller banks and credit unions work with the people. They need to make money. Banks make money off people when they open up bank accounts. Annually fees, annually maintenance fees, ATM fees, APRs, loans. That's how banks make their money. So if they're a new bank and people are looking to get loans and they can provide these type of funds, they're going to approve as many people as they can so they can start making money off as many people as they can so they can start generating funds themselves. So that's why a lot of times these banks, lenders, and groups say bad credit, because a lot of times the credit score really doesn't even matter when it comes to getting a loan, credit card, or line of credit. It's all based off the debt that you have, the age, and the payment history on your credit report. Now, there's 2 ways for you to get a loan: utilizing your personal credit as a personal guarantor, or building your business credit up from the ground up and just utilizing your business credit. A lot of people who have good credit already, decent credit with decent debt already, mainly use their personal credit as a personal guarantor. So when they do start a business, they don't have to wait and do this and do that. They can just get the started LLC, get the EIN number, bank account, business bank account, get it structured the right way, and start getting major funding and utilizing their personal credit. So a lot of people that just build their business up from the ground up, adding net 30s, building their pay decks and their pay net scores up. So there's different ways for you to get funds. Some people even piggyback off their friends who are multimillionaires, billionaires, and use their credit. So there's, first of all, understand this. There's always a loophole with everything. There's always a way for you to get over legally. And if you can find these loopholes and connect these dots, it'll benefit you. And that's what a lot of people have done, especially with bankruptcies and trust funds. Because bankruptcies were created to help people and businesses who get into financial crisis and can't afford to pay back their, let's say their business is going out of business. They're not making as many sales as they once was, or you lose your job or something. You can't pay these bills back. You can file bankruptcy and it'll clean your debt, personal or business. And then people all literally figured out that when they report these bankruptcies, because a lot of people don't understand this, bankruptcies are through the courts, not the credit bureaus. The credit bureaus buy this information from LexisNexis and Sage. So with that being said, when they are reporting them, they are giving the wrong furnisher, the wrong reporter who's reporting this account. It might say recorder of deeds or municipal court, but that's wrong. So that's reporting the wrong information, which is in violation. That's how you get bankruptcies off of your credit report, and that's what they're doing. Because every time you file bankruptcies and the credit bureaus buy them, it's going to say the exact same thing. And they don't want you to know that, because if you do know that, then everybody's going to file bankruptcies and do this method and just keep the process going. See, they don't teach us this in school. They don't teach us the benefits of certain things. They don't teach us none of this. They literally throw us out there in the ocean to fend on our own when it comes to financial freedom and financial education, financial literacy, period. So First Flight Federal Credit Union, a new federal credit union, smaller, that is giving people the bag. So let's say you're somebody that wants to utilize your personal credit towards your business credit. Now, a lot of people out there believe and think that you have to have 700, 800 credit score to start getting major funding for your business, which is not true. You can have a 650 credit score and start getting major funding for your business. You can have, like I said, it's not about the credit score. It's about you showing on paper, on your credit profile, that you can manage money. 3 key factors that determines that: payment history, debt, and age. How much debt do you have? How long have you had this debt? And how good have you been paying down this debt? That's what determines if you get a loan or not. And your debt to income ratio. How much money do you make? Because they want to make sure that if you got a lot of debt, do you make enough money to, if you were to get a new line of debt, would you still be able to pay it off without having any problems with paying any other bills? So these are key factors that they look at when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit that a lot of people don't pay attention to or know about or even think about. So you need 5 primary trade lines. And the 5 primary trade lines that you need on your credit report are lines of credits, revolving, line of credit, revolving, installment, auto, and mortgage or rental payment history for the past 2 years. It's a lot of sites that give package deals with all 5 primary trade lines. Unique Primary Trade Lines has package deals. Trade Lines with Gamma, but they're sold out right now, has package deals. And there's other sites that I get to in other videos. But these 2 primary sites will give you all 5 primary trade lines. Now you have something called primary trade lines, and you have credit builder trade lines. Credit builder trade lines are basically savings accounts that build payment history and will report to your credit report as a loan. Primary trade lines are trade lines that are primarily in your name, and if you miss a payment, you miss any payment, it will affect your credit score negatively. So banks, lenders, and groups mainly want to see at least 5 primary trade lines on your credit report and at least 2 credit cards. They want to see that, like, yeah, you really manage your money, not just these little credit builder trade lines. Them are okay, but they want to see you really managing real life money. So you got the sales, the AVAs, the kickoffs. Then you got your credit builder credit unions, such as the Insight credit unions, the DCUs, the Credit Ninjas, the Bank of Americas. All these places give $2,500 and up, $5,000 in credit builder loans that you can get that will report to your credit report as a installment loan, and you'll build your payment history, and it'll also report as debt. Then you got the the AVAs, and the kickoffs. We all know about them. CreditStrong.com has $10,000 in installment loans. Credit Magnum has $30,000 in trade lines. So $30,000, $40,000, and plus the debt that you might already have on your credit report. Some people got student loans, some people got auto loans, some people got mortgage loans, some people got payday loans, some people got credit cards. A lot of different things on their credit report that already has debt. So let's say you're somebody with student loans. You got $40,000 in debt already on credit report, and you get the Credit Strong and Credit Magnum, that's $80,000 in debt. You get the unique primary trade lines package deal, that's $400,000 in debt right there. So now you add $480,000 in debt. Then you get the with all 5 primary trade lines. Then you get another credit card, Open Sky or AU account from Trade Line Supply. They got accounts from $1,000 to $100,000 on there, so you get a $50,000. So now you're over $500,000 in debt. This is what they want to see. You got that, they're gonna give you a bag. That's how you get $500,000 loans, $1 million loans for your business. So these banks, lenders, and groups mainly just want to make sure that you can manage money, that you make enough money. And if you can show that on your credit report and bring the right documentation, because sometimes you don't need no documentation. Like this bank right here, First Flight Federal Credit Union, is giving $50,000 no doc loans with no documentation, bad credit approved. Now, depending on how bad your credit is going to determine how your APR is. So that's why they're approving everybody, because everybody's approved, but everybody's not going to have the same payments. He might have lower payments because his credit is better than yours. He might get approved more because he has more debt to show he can pay off on his credit report. Wow. So like I said, there's a lot of different factors that play into getting, those 3 key factors are what plays into getting approved for a loan, credit card, line of credit, especially a no-doc loan. Utilizing your personal credit. Now, you want to utilize just your business credit, it's easy. Get your LLC, get your EIN number, get a business bank account, check the savings, go to Dun & Bradstreet, get your Dun & Bradstreet number, start tracking your business credit scores. You can get your NAV account, the NAV Business Credit Builder, get that trade line, get you some net 30s, go to Credit Strong, get the Business Credit Builder. Now you building all your credit scores on your business, and you'll get a payday score 80 or better, and within no time, fast, and you can start getting major loans, credit cards, lines of credit, just utilizing that right there. Like I said, we all know the bankruptcy and trust fund game. So the more money that you can show and prove that you can make or add or pay back or manage is what's going to get you approved for any type of loan. It's not a credit score. It's what you can show on paper that you can manage. So always understand that when it comes to getting these loans, credit cards, lines of credit. And always understand this right here. And understand this. First Flight Federal Credit Union, you have to call or go into the branch to get the no-doc loan option. You cannot, the option is not on the website. So Don't everybody be like, what's the website? What's the website? You have to call the branch or go into the branch to get this loan option. All right, so don't go on the website looking for it and don't find it. Like, you're lying, you're a cap. No, like I said, mainly or most banks only post traditional loan options. Any other loan option, they present that to you while you're on the phone or in the meeting talking about what works best for you. So with that being said, go open up your business bank account, checking the savings with First Flight Federal Credit Union. Start making deposits in that bank account to start generating funds for your business, build a relationship with that bank. Go get you that $50,000 no-doc loan, invest into your business, and hey, take off and be blessed. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 1-1 limit gems is $1,000. But for limited time only, I'm doing them for $350. Yeah, $350. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your pin ready, and we will go from there. No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all get y'all in-person limited gems lessons. For $6,000 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $6,000 on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your pin ready. We go from there. All right. You gotta come in state to me. If I come out of state to you, the price is gonna be $7,500. Also, I'm doing a credit mentorship right now for $2,500. Where I will be hands-on, helping you clean and build your credit, adding trade lines, doing everything. So for $2,500, I'm doing a credit mentorship that I will be hands-on. Me and you together will be cleaning and structuring and building your credit score, personal and business, so you can start getting loans, credit cards, or lines of credit and be successful. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all mentorships. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegram's New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, making money, and having fun. So you got talent, ready to work, ready to travel, ready to make some money, have fun. DM me, let me see what you got. We'll go from there. Also, make sure you go follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hustle 2.0, and Milwaukee Made King Hustle. Make sure you go follow my reaction channel, King Hustle Crazy Reactions, going crazy over there. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Just dropped a new mixtape, Hustle and Flow, and a new single, Miss Coleman. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them likes, comments, and views up. Also, make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Fire Horror Stories over there. Make sure you go follow my Rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain. Make sure y'all just tapping in, and let's get to work. Because I promise you, this information that I give you will take you to the next level. Will put you in position to become a self-made millionaire. So make sure you paying the video from start to end, because I promise you, I'm going to start doing giveaways at the end of the video, and if you miss out, that's on you. So with that being said, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.